Got an RGO file from a geotagging project and need to access the location data? This format combines images with precise GPS information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with RoboGEO georeferenced image files. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the RGO format. Details below. An RGO file is a georeferenced image created by RoboGEO software. It contains an image file, like a JPG, along with embedded GPS coordinate data. Users create these files to map the location where a photo was taken, often for creating interactive maps, surveys, or travelogs. The RGO format is a container that bundles a standard raster image with associated GPS metadata, such as latitude, longitude, and altitude. This design allows the RoboGEO application to read both the visual data and its spatial context from a single file, simplifying the process of plotting images on a map. The RGO format has primary linkage to the RoboGEO application by Pretech. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows offers minimal visibility, leaving full interpretation to specialized GIS programs. Let's make the file accessible. Right-click your RGO file and choose Open With. Start your test with RoboGEO if available. If not, select another listed program and continue trying. If your RGO file will not open, do not worry. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, opening in RoboGEO. Install RoboGEO and use File, then open to load the RGO file. The software displays the project with associated images and assigned GPS coordinates. Review the geotagging results on the integrated map view and adjust time offsets or interpolation parameters if location assignments require refinement before final export. Next, exporting geotagged photos. Use RoboGEO's export features to write GPS coordinates into image EXIF metadata, producing standard geotagged JPEG files, compatible with any photo management software supporting location data. Alternatively, export to KML or GPX for use in Google Earth or GPS visualization tools showing photo locations on maps. Finally, alternative geotagging tools. For ongoing work, consider modern alternatives like GeoSetter or Adobe Lightroom's map module, which provides similar geotagging functionality with current software support. Import RoboGEO project data by exporting to KML or geotagged JPEGs, first then loading into the alternative tool for continued workflow with active development support. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.